This book can change your life. Hello guys, my name is Jellyfish, welcome to my channel. I like to talk about self-development, and because this book already changed a bit of my life, I want to share with you some of the tips. This is Robin Sharma. He sold over millions and millions of copies of his books. His famous books are The 5 AM Club and also Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. The book in English is called The Everyday Hero Manifesto. This one is in Portuguese, I read it in Portuguese and I translated it to you. I divided it in 6 chapters. How to be a hero every day, why is painful so change, why is change so painful and what to do about it, the steps to success and what success means. I learned how to say that word. The 4 ways of communication from movement creators, 5 biggest life regrets, and finally the 6 attributes of millionaires that Robin Sharma mentors. Be sure to grab a pen and paper, pause whenever you want on the video. Let's start with how to be a hero every day. Small daily improvements will really help us in the long term. Don't be distracted by things that don't allow us to progress. Doing fasting, meditating, exercising, journaling, reading are some of the things that we can do every day so we can improve on our life. Also, doing what we think is right. It's so important for our character, for what we think of ourselves, and important to give more than we receive. Some of this I already put in my life, like journaling. I write all my ideas here, I write my thoughts, I write my feelings. It's one of the main things that the author says. Every Sunday morning he gets the paper, he writes down what he wants to do all the week. It just makes your life so much easier. He also says change is painful, and this takes us to the 2nd chapter. Why is it painful and what to do about it? Change is painful for us because we're not used to it, it's uncomfortable, but it's super important to remember that the universe is going to help whoever is willing to go through doubt and rejection. And every time you feel afraid, that's the path that you want to go. And also, the louder the fears are, the closer we are to our fortune. This is something that will pass. The problems only come for us to have a reward after it. Remembering that our traumas, our scars, the painful part is just really to make us evolve to the next step. And the most important is not compare ourselves to others. Let's imagine you go outside on the street, you see this amazing, huge guy with a Ferrari, with a blonde girl on the side. You're gonna be, fuck me, and I wish I was this guy. This guy can be on steroids, he can cheat all the way to get the money. Maybe just has a prostitute on the side, maybe she's addicted to cocaine. Let's go to number 3, steps to success. Money is not the scale of success. There's many people who are rich that are not living a happy life. It's important to have money, to have freedom. Also, your circle, your friends, your relationships, your career, the mastery of your own self, the adventure in your life, and also important the impact that you have in others. How do we get closer to success? You need to daily work on these 4 empires. Your mind, having a great mindset. Your heart, releasing that toxic feelings that you have for other people, that anger, that sadness. Your soul, keeping your feet on the ground, respecting everyone, not having a big ego, everyone is the same. And health, having more energy, better immunity, and longevity. When these 4 inner empires are when these 4 inner Jesus Christ. When these 4 inner empires are great and working together, we'll see exponential gains in creativity, productivity, prosperity, and service. Let's go to number 4, the 4 main ways of communication of movement creators. Listen deeply on the conversation. When you're listening properly, you will honor the person talking, you will inspire them, and they will open up about it. And whenever you're listening, you are the one learning. 2, being vulnerable. It opens up trust, touches hearts, connects humanity. 3, being your true self. This shows integrity, bravery, gives confidence to the other people around you. And 4, keeping your promises. You're gonna have more credibility and reliability from the people around you. One thing that the author says that I really enjoyed is people who left a mark on the world. They didn't care about fame and money. They cared about sharing something to the other humans and to help them. Number 5, the 5 biggest life regrets. So on this chapter they were talking about this woman who worked on the hospital, and she talked to the people who were about to die, and she listened to their regrets. 1, wishing they had a wider life perspective. Imagine thinking that tea is only good with water. I put milk sometimes on the tea and they're like, what the fuck? 2, they wish they think less of what other people think. We all know this. 3, wasted less time on our lives. We waste so much time being distracted. I notice it now so much after reading this book, and I'm getting better and better every day. 4, enjoying more time wandering the world. Don't stay in your city, in your village. Travel, meet new people, meet new cultures, meet new traditions, see new ways of life, and then you learn many things about the world. And 5, wishing they were more gentle and affectionate. Myself, I treat everyone with respect. I usually get the same, but not always. Don't take things personal. People treat the others how they treat themselves. Okay, we're almost there. Chapter number 6, the 6 attributes of millionaires. As I told you, Robin Sharma is mentor to many millionaires. This is the attributes that all of them have in common. They have reckless trust in themselves. They believe they're gonna conquer the world. Dazzling vision of a brighter future. Neglection of critics. Giant effort, coherency and persistency. A huge trainability to resist instant pleasure and refusal to hang around with negative people. And with this, we're gonna wrap it up. Remember to work on yourself every day and treat everyone around with respect and dignity. To have a simple life true to your values and virtues. To love compassionately and to always give more than you receive. Be a hero every day and follow your dreams. I hope this was helpful to you. It was also helpful for me to do all of this. If you liked, be sure to give me a like and a subscription, and I appreciate you. Watch a video here, I show you all of my tattoos, and I tell you the story about it, and subscribe here. I'll see you on the next adventure.